like these don't always last very long. Here I have some loop resistance bands from Sport2People. These ones I got because I like the colors, I'll be honest, but the other thing that I really do like about them is the quality. The material has a nice thickness to it, so I know it's not going to just snap apart on me when I'm using them. I've had these ones for 2 years now, and I'm really, really happy with how they've been holding up. This set comes with a light, a medium, a heavy, and extra heavy, and I'll use them for all sorts of different things. I love using these for booty work. These are really fantastic to add into your squats, great to add into any bridging and hip lifts that are really, really great to build up that bum. I love these ones because I've had them for 2 years, still really durable, no cracks, nothing falling apart. The rubber can sometimes get dried out, which causes them to snap. Super happy with how these have lasted. I recommend these for anyone who's looking to add to their workout routine. Whether you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there's options for all the resistances, and you can really get a great workout from adding these in.